Hey, this is Hudson Harden, and just got some mail in today, and I got a couple boxes of Bowman Draft and Prospects 2010. These are retail boxes, 24 packs, 7 cards per pack, and you get one autograph and one relic card in every single box. The relic card is a USA Baseball relic card, and the autographs are, I believe, of prospects or Team USA players. So there's one there, second one here, and I also got a third retail box. I'll probably end up selling at least one of these on eBay, which you can go to my website, hudsonharden.weebly.com, click on the link cards for sale, and then you can go to my eBay page there and see when that's for sale. Probably when I upload this video, it'll already be on there, so you can just go right there and check that out. But right now I'm going to open at least one of these, and we'll see how I do, and if I like it, I'll probably open the second one. Even if I don't like it, I probably will, just so I do a little bit better this. Hopefully I can do better the second time around. Assuming if this one isn't what I hope it is. There's the box back there, and we'll get started with the first stack right here. I'll try to move through these quickly so I can get this all in 15 minutes. We got Mike Leake, Alan Craig, Cole Gillespie Chrome, and already we have like a gold border refractor. This is Carlos Santana, gold refractor, numbered 2 out of 25. I don't know if that you can see that in focus, but yeah, it's numbered 2 out of 25. I don't think Santana wears number 2, but now I can see right here it's 1 something, but numbered out of 25, that's not bad pull at all. The gold border, which is I believe is retail only, Mike Fultonowicz, and we have Tawan Walker, Bowman first, and Sean Brady, USA. Okay. Hisanori Takahashi, Rami Lewis, Josh Tomlin Chrome, Corey Seager, USA Refractor, Deck McGuire Gold Bowler, Mike Vanica, and Christian Colon. Both last two are first Bowman. Brian Mattis, Jose Tabata, Cole Billingsley, Jake Lemmerman, purple refractor, not numbered, Brian Regato, gold border, Stephen Pryor first, Chavez Clark first, and Josh Rutledge first. By first I mean first Bowman card, but no reason to say all that there. Tommy Manzella, Drew Stubbs, Bryce Brentz, Chrome, Daniel Hudson Chrome, Addison Reed gold border first, Russell Wilson first, and Carson Kelly first. Juan Francisco, Danny Worth, Jake Skoll first Chrome, Brian Anderson Chrome, Micah Gibbs gold border, Tyrell Jenkins first, and Cito Culver first. Cito Culver, yeah, is from Rochester, New York. He went to Irondequoit High School, so another upstate New York guy. I always like to point those out whenever I see them. Daniel Hudson, Zach Lee blue border, numbered 382 out of 399. the Zach Lee gold border, Ryan Bolden, Bryce Brent's gold border, Tyler Thornburg first, and Kellen Degman first. Dominic Brown, Jake Arrieta, Henry Mejia, Chrome, Josh Rutledge, Chrome Refractor, Chad Bettis, gold border, first, Henry Ramos first, and Cody Stanley first. Peter Borjos, Eric Kratz, Nick Longmire, Chrome, Brennan Bosch, Chrome Purple Refractor, Tyrell Drankins, gold first, Michael Choice, gold first, and Scott Alexander. Jeffrey Marquez, Jason Donald, Addison Reed, Bowman first Chrome, Travis Wood, Chrome, Bryce Brent's gold border, Mike Foltinowicz, and Ryan Lamar first. Will Rhymes, Matt Carson, Josh Sale, Bowman Chrome first, Steve Tollison, Bowman Chrome, Carter Jurica, gold border, Micah Gibbs first, and Christian Yelich first. Tyler Colvin, Michael Brantley, Jesse Biddle, Chrome first, Chris Nelson, Chrome, Tyrell Jenkins, gold border, Brody Green first, and Chris Sale first. Last pack of the first column. John Jay, Jordan Brown, Troy Conyers, Chrome first, Juan Francisco, Carter Jurica, gold border, Matt Lipka first, and Albert Amora first. Alright, on to the second stack here. So in that first one, I only got two numbered cards, the regular blue border and the gold chrome Carlos Santana numbered to 25. Madison Bumgarner, Starlin Castro, Cody Wheeler, chrome first, Danny Worth, chrome, Taylor Lindsay, gold border, Matt Suschak first, and Lucas Sims first. Sam Demmel, Tyson Ross, Mark Brakeman, chrome first, Tyler Colvin, chrome, Taiwan Walker, gold border first, Zach Lee first, and Derek Dietrich first on the checklist. So I haven't gotten any of the hits, looking for one autograph and one jersey card in this box. Ryan Kalish, Fernando Salas, Carter Jurica, chrome first, Alex Burgos, purple refractor, Delano DeShields, gold border, Nate Roberts first, and Deck McGuire first. Jeff Frazier, Mike Stanton, Dominic Brown, chrome, Luke Harrell, chrome refractor, Taylor Lindsay first, Andrelton Simmons first, and J.R. Bradley first. Brad Lincoln, got my autograph here. This is an Anthony Rizzo, which is a Red Sox prospect. Topps autograph here, as you can see. Anthony Rizzo, Red Sox prospect. So that's the first hit. Brad Lincoln, Aaron Sanchez, Jake Arrieta Chrome. And this is kind of shocking. I get both my hits in the same pack. Doesn't seem very fair. This is the Troy Conyers jersey, numbered 853 out of 949. So is that my two hits both in one pack? Noah Syndergaard and Alex Burgos. It'd be nice to just buy that one pack at a hobby shop. Or even actually, since this is a retail box, you'd get it at like a Target or a Walmart. That's what I call a hot pack. Getting all of that just in one pack. Okay, Cesar Valdez, Wade Davis, Cole Billingsley Chrome first, Peter Bourjos Chrome, Delano DeShields Gold Border, Mike Old first, and Drew Pomeranz first. Right, 6 packs left in this box. Jordan Smith, Alex Sanabia, Zach Cox, Chrome first, Eric Kratz Chrome, Alex Wimmers Gold Border first, Alex Wimmers regular, and Zach Green first. Cole Gillespie, Danny Valencia. It's a nice pull. I'm a big Danny Valencia fan. Just show that for you there. Former Rochester Red Wing, Danny Valencia. Logan Darnell, Chrome. Jeffrey Marquez, Chrome. Zach Lee, Gold Border. Cole Leonida, Bowman first, and Greg Garcia, Bowman first. Mitch Moreland, Vance Worley, Chance Ruffin, Chrome first, Will Rhymes, Chrome, Zach Lee, Gold Border first, Nelson Rodriguez first, and Mickey Wilson first. Jonathan Lucroy, Lance Zawadsky, Sam Tuivalela, Chrome first, Anthony Slamma, Purple Refractor, Jamison Tylan, Gold Border first, Kevin Keys, and Jake Lemmerman. Jamison Tylan was the number 2 overall pick in the draft, I believe, behind Bryce Harper. Yeah. Two packs to go. Ian Desmond, Adam Moore, Delano DeShields, Chrome first, Jason Donald, Chrome, another Jamison Tylan, Gold Border, Nick Treviso, and Cody Hahn, both first. So no regular Jamison Tylan, but 2 Gold Borders, back-to-back packs. And the last pack of this box, as I have just about a minute left before my time goes out. Colin Curtis, Carlos Santana, regular. Call back to the first pack, got the Carlos Santana. Blake Forsythe, Chrome first card, Matt Carson. Taiwan Walker, Bowman first card, Gold Border. Nico Goodrum, and Chad Bettis. Okay, so that's that. I will probably put a few of these cards on eBay. Definitely the Rizzo autograph will go on there, as well as the Santana Gold Border, but I'm going to cut this off right now because I am completely out of time, so bye-bye.